Today we are going to be doing our weekly spread in our Happy Planner, the vertical layout, and doing the end of March already. It's kind of crazy how fast the spring has gone. Or I mean, spring just started, but you know what I mean? Like, it's already like flying by right now, and I feel like 2022 for me personally is going pretty quick. We had a lot of fun changes at the beginning of the year, and I feel like that just kind of, I don't know, made it a little bit of a roller coaster. I thought I'd use this mint green washi, but I don't love the way that first one laid, so we're going to try this one and see if it's any better. And if not, I might have to change it up. That one did okay. So my plan with this spread this week, I wanted to do like tropical. I want to do some pineapples and some palm trees and yeah, that kind of vibe. So that's what we're going to go for. So I found in my Happy Memory Keeping Floral Memories book, it's from the big one, so the stickers are a little large, but that's okay. We're going to go with it anyways. But I just thought, you know, like, oh, it'd be super fun to have a pineapple and whatnot on my planner this week. I don't know. It's very random, but it's okay. So we're gonna go for it and just see what happens. I need it to still be usable. That's the biggest thing, right? Like, it needs to be functional, but I love having a little bit of life in it with the colors and the stickers, and I'm just gonna take that one right off. See if I can get at it this way. Sometimes these stickers do not come up very easily. They like to give me a little bit of an issue. So anyways, I need it to be functional, but I like a little bit of life in it too. So that's the goal, to make it both those things. And then I have this yellow to-do list sticker from the Choose Happy mini book that I'm going to put right up here. And then I still haven't found a sticker for down there, so I'll have my little tropical section out here for a minute, see if I can find. See, look at all these amazing pineapples. We should add another pineapple. Why? Because we can, probably. That's probably the only reason. I'll put it right there. Okay. I need a quote. It's kind of funny because normally I almost always get the quote first, but nope, not this week. I don't think it's gonna come from there. Alright, let's see if we can find a quote from another one. I love these. Add a little bit of weekend fun in here over my washi tape. I don't know why the best weekend ever. I suppose it is April Fool's Day. Okay, nope, not from there. Check it out here. Maybe this book, the Gold Star Quotes. I'll look in here really quick. Just need, oh, I love the shine on. That's so cute. Sunshine, need a little summer shine in my face. Not quite summer. Fall. I thought this would be a little easier. Nope. A brand new day. I could do that one next to the pineapple. Since we're living up the yellow. I like doing yellow spreads. I think they're fun. They're cheerful and happy. We all need that in our lives, right? Let me see if I can find a couple more small, maybe flowers. I don't know. Maybe we'll try this leafy branch. Throw a couple more of those on. Getting somewhere, maybe. Is that a big one? Yes. Okay, we're gonna throw a big one down here. I hope it. I think that'll work out even with my pineapple right there. And then I have one more sticker I kind of want to use, but it's really colorful, so I may pull it, but I thought I'd put it right here. It just says, "Bring on the fun." It's a very colorful, happy memory keeping book. It's a colorful spread, but I like it. Something different. Okay. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me. This is the beginning of April, which is super crazy. I hope you all have a blessed day, and we'll see you again here soon. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button so I can see you again soon. Have a blessed day.